We remember today our co-workers who have just lost their lives in the pursuit of a better future for their loved ones. We remember the sacrifices of OFWs Orozco, Yek Yek, and Soko, who perished in the May 28 Bellagio fire. Their dedication to their work and courage to stick and protect their wards at the time of danger at the expense of their lives are highly commendable. We remember today all these people who died for our nation. We thank the government of the State of Qatar for the proper handling and timely assistance given to the family of the victims. We appreciate the kind gesture of the Crown Prince, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, in meeting the relatives of the victims to convey his and government's sympathies and giving of financial help. We likewise thank the Deputy Prime Minister, His Excellency Abdullah bin Hamad Al Attiyah, for assuring the embassy and the families that all measures are undertaken by the government to get into the bottom of the cause of the fire that brought that tragedy. And he said to me at the embassy that they will prosecute people who are responsible for this unfortunate incident. We likewise thank you, the Filipino community, you, the Qataris, and the expat community for your expression of sympathies and your financial help. We at the embassy, with you as our partners, strive to improve the services we give to our people. When I arrived in Qatar almost 3 years ago, the first thing that I noticed was the absence of a website of our Philippine embassy. And now, I am proud to announce, after a long wait, the Philippine Embassy, in cooperation with our valuable partner, the Western Union, is launching our website today. You can access our website at www.philembassy-qatar.org, where you can get information on passports application, authentication of documents, marriages, births and deaths, and other information. We'll provide feature on downloadable forms, but initially we'll have the passports and the visa as these downloadable forms. Again, let me profusely thank our reliable partner, the Western Union, for this worthy undertaking. Palakpakan po natin ang Western Union. Ito po ang mensahe po ng ating Presidente na isasalin ko po sa wikang Pilipino. Sa kanyang mensahe sa mamamayang Pilipino, sinabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo, sa pagdiriwang natin ng ating kalayaan, gawin nating tungkulin ang muling paninindigan sa mabubuting kaugaliang humubog at nagpapapatag sa ating bansa at sumulong tungo sa kinabukasang pinangarap sa ating mga bayani. Katigan natin ang diwa ng pag-asa at pagtitiwala sa bubuo sa pagbabagong nagaganap sa kasulukuyang panahon. Patuloy din nating ipagmalaki ang mga pamana at likas na kagandahan ng ating bayan na ating dahilan upang kilalanin ang ating pinakamamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Ang nakakaraang panahon ay naging inspirasyon upang ito ay ating ngayong gunitain. Tayo ay kumilos upang itatag ang kinabukasan na naaayon sa ating tamang lugar sa komunidad ng mga bansa. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at Happy Independence Day to everyone.